What is landlord retaliation after a tenant repair request? Imagine you notice a leaking pipe or a broken heater in your rental home and ask your landlord to fix it. Then suddenly, things start to change. Your rent goes up unexpectedly, or your utility services get cut off. You might even get a notice to leave the property. What is happening here? This is what is known as landlord retaliation. Landlord retaliation happens when a landlord responds negatively after a tenant asks for repairs or reports habitability issues. It is illegal in many places for landlords to punish tenants for exercising their rights. For example, if you report a broken heater during winter, and then your landlord raises your rent or tries to evict you within a few months, that could be retaliation. Tenants have the right to request repairs and complain about unsafe conditions without fear. This includes notifying the landlord about broken appliances, mold, or code violations. They can also report issues to government agencies or join tenant groups. These actions are protected by law. However, landlords cannot legally respond by raising rent, issuing eviction notices, reducing essential services like water or heat, or harassing tenants shortly after a repair request. Many laws specify a time frame, often around 180 days, during which any adverse action is presumed to be retaliation. This means the landlord must prove their actions are for other reasons, not because the tenant asked for repairs. If a landlord retaliates, tenants have options. They can file complaints with housing authorities or even sue the landlord for damages. Sometimes, tenants can withhold rent or repair the issue themselves and deduct the cost from rent, depending on local laws. It's important for landlords to respond promptly and professionally to repair requests. Keeping records of all communication helps show they are complying with tenant rights. In summary, landlord retaliation after a tenant repair request is unlawful. It involves unfair actions taken to punish tenants for asserting their rights. Both tenants and landlords should understand these rules to keep the rental process fair and respectful. Landlords who handle repair requests openly and fairly avoid legal trouble and foster better relationships with tenants.